Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to set up your GoPro Hero 13 Black as a webcam in Windows 11. It's really quite simple to do. You'll be able to use your GoPro in your meetings for Zoom, Meet, Teams, etc. So let's go ahead and dive right into setting this up as a webcam. So there's a couple things that are ideal to have for setting up your GoPro as a webcam. First off, the cable that comes with it is only about 16 or 18 inches long, and it's ideal to have a longer cable, something like this. This one's 6 feet long and it allows me to move my GoPro around my desktop, and it doesn't have to be right next to my computer. So those are handy to have. The second thing is a little tripod. This is the Joby Gorilla Pod. It keeps the GoPro steady on my desk, and if you don't want it down on your desk, you can clamp it on and wrap it around things and put it wherever you want. These work great as well. So I'll have all that linked below in the description. But let's go ahead and jump over to my computer and show you how to set up the GoPro webcam software. All right, so here we are on my PC. I'm on the official GoPro community website, and I'll have this link below in the description. There's all sorts of information for setting up the GoPro webcam app for Mac as well as Windows. So you can scroll through this. This is a great wealth of information. It also shows you which websites or apps are compatible with it. So YouTube Live, Zoom, WebEx, Slack, Google Meet, Teams, etc. And if you keep scrolling down, you can download the software here. So right here it says for Windows, we can go ahead and download right here. Now I do want to mention that you do need to make sure that your GoPro is up to date with the latest firmware. And if you're not sure how to do that, I've created some videos on that. I'll have that link below in the description as well. But let's go ahead and download the desktop utility here. So you can click right here. It'll open up a new page and you should be able to click download here at the top and it'll start downloading, and it's complete there. Maybe I'll just move that over to my desktop here and we'll minimize this. And let's go ahead and open that up. It says, welcome to the GoPro webcam setup wizard, and it's computing my space requirements. So we'll give it a second. There we go. The setup wizard will install GoPro webcam on your computer. You can go ahead and hit next. You can read the licensing agreement, so read through that. And then you can accept the terms here. Go ahead and hit next. Ready to install GoPro webcam. We can go ahead and hit install here. There we go. It's installing that. Completed the GoPro webcam setup wizard. Click the finish button to exit the setup wizard. We'll go ahead and hit finish. You must restart your system to configure the changes made to the GoPro webcam to take effect. So we're going to go ahead and hit yes here. So I'll restart my system and then come right back to you. So let's go ahead and get our GoPro all set up here. So first off, go ahead and plug in the one end of your USB cable into your PC. Then the other end gets plugged into the side here of our GoPro. So there's a little lip right here. We can go ahead and pull down on that. And then the side door opens up on your GoPro. And there's a small USB-C port down here at the bottom. Go ahead and plug your cable right into that. And then we can go ahead and turn on our GoPro and it'll load up and we should be ready to go. So back on my PC here, we're gonna go ahead and open up the GoPro webcam software that we just installed. Now I should mention that on my GoPro, it does say USB connected on the front and the back. So I do know that I have a connection with the computer. But down here in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see your system tray and there's some icons. We're looking for the GoPro icon. So there's a little arrow down here that says show hidden icons. We can left click on that. And I've got a little GoPro webcam icon here now. We can go ahead and left click on that. That's going to give us some options here. And if we go ahead and click on preview, there I am. There we go. We're working. Hello. So we've got that up and running. Now there are some settings that we can change in here. If we go back to the GoPro icon here and left click on that, we can actually change our lens mode. So you can go all the way from super wide. It does kind of freeze for a second while it reloads. Hello. So that's really wide. I don't really love the curved edges on that for this sort of thing, but it's there if you need it. We've got the wide mode. There we go. So still quite wide. And then the one I prefer is the linear mode. So lens mode, linear. This isn't going to curve the edges and it's going to give you the most natural look. So that's the linear mode right there. So let's go ahead and start a meeting here. I'm going to load up Google Meet. Now the process for setting up the camera in Google Meet or Zoom, Teams, etc. is going to be slightly different. You will need to select the GoPro. We'll start a meeting here and I'll just start it now. And typically you'll need to select your camera. So in Google Meet, for example, down here at the bottom, there's video settings and you can select your camera here. and GoPro webcam shows up. We can select that, and then we need to turn on our camera as well, and it should show up here. We'll give it a second. It's loading, GoPro webcam. And there we are, we're all set up and in our meeting. So really it's that simple to set up a GoPro Hero 13 Black as a webcam here in Windows 11. I hope this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.